Imagine one day you just suddenly cannot contact all of your relatives, friends, parents, and you know there's concentration camps built for your people. And you know their organ might get harvested. And you know your people used as a slave. What you would do? Of course you have to do something, but what you would do? And your enemy is second biggest country in the world. United Nations, United States, India, Russia cannot even do anything about them. The whole world just don't know how to stop them. What you would do? Imagine if you as that person, what you would do. That's my question for you guys. Okay, you can leave your answer below. Today I will introduce another Uyghur man called Abdurehim Gheni Uyghur. He lives in Netherlands with his wife and 3 children. And here's his story. Before we start, could you just do me a favor and click the like button for support our channel? If you do so, thank you so much. And welcome to my channel, UyghurMan.
2 years ago, at June 23, 2018, he started his single peaceful protest at Dam Square, Amsterdam, which is 45 kilometers away from his home. He just finished his 2 years anniversary of his protest after Chinese virus quarantine. Last week, he just started his 3rd year single man protest against the Chinese Communist Party. Since then, he has spent his every Saturday and Sunday at Dam Square, Amsterdam, to protest against the anti-humanity crimes which invaded China did toward to the Uyghurs. There's a couple reasons why he started his single-man protest. First, invaded China has carried out ethnic cleansing toward Uyghurs and other Turkic nations in our homeland East Turkestan since 2017. And second reason is, invaded China cut off all his contact with his beloved parents, relatives, and he does not know whether they are alive or not. Another reason is, invaded China imprisoned his intellectual friends, colleagues who are from all over the East Turkestan. He always thought if he had stayed in East Turkestan that he would either be taken to the Chinese concentration camp or having his organ harvested and would lose his life. He said Allah protected him from this ethnic cleansing, and his responsibility to his people and his land always motivate him to protest. He knows his people is suffering so much. That's why he decided he would be a voice of his people who are screaming for help. Eventually, he declared war long against the most brutal and evil regime, Chinese Communist Party, at Dam Square, Amsterdam. This year is the 3rd year of his single-man protest against Chinese communists. He is continuing his solo demonstrations throughout the winter and the summer, hot and the cold weather, rainy and stormy days. He even has been facing death threats and intimidation by Chinese government on the street and on the internet since the protest began. But all has failed to break his will. He said he will not stop till Uyghurs' dawn comes.
Okay guys, that's Abdurehim Gheni Uyghur and his story. What do you think? And still, I want your answer. If you are Uyghur, if you are facing the same situation like every single Uyghur abroad, what you would do? Please let us know. We want to know because we want to do more than we're doing right now. Please let us know. If you have good advice, if you have good information, please let us know. We would love to hear your answer. And thanks for the support, thanks for the like button, and I will see you next time.